this, Alicia?
Yeah, since the cyber attack, we still have many questions for Scripps Health that have not been answered. And we also received many emails from patients telling us how they have been affected by the hack and how they're concerned about their health and their personal information, including their medical records.
You know, I just have a very uncomfortable feeling that this is far worse than they're letting on, maybe.
Patients at Scripps Health have more questions than answers nearly a week after Scripps fell victim to a ransomware attack. As a result, patients have had their appointments canceled, like Andrew Kaufman.
The repercussions could be worse than what I expected, maybe.
He had a critical surgery scheduled for yesterday to help find a treatment for his rare muscular disease.
I suffer every day from this disease.
He says the surgery was canceled due to the cyber attack, making his medical history inaccessible. He still doesn't know when he can be rescheduled and feels like he's in big trouble.
If I were to have a crisis, I have to go to the hospital. My concern is my medical history is really extensive. I've been treated for this for years, that they wouldn't have access to my history, in history that could be very pertinent in treating me.
He is now writing down his medical history to the best of his knowledge, just in case he has to call 911. Another patient wants to remain anonymous, but tells News 8 she is worried her personal information is no longer secure. This patient, Jacob, was unable to get his medication right away, but was contacted by Scripps to pick it up a day later.
I've been on that medication for 20 years. If I had not taken it for 2 days, I could have gone into a coma and died.
These patients worry that this hack is a sentinel event that may lead to more problems. Just take a look at the Scripps Health Facebook page. Scripps declined our request for an interview, but gave us this statement saying, in part, as Scripps Health continues to address the cyber attack from this past weekend, our facilities remain open for patient care, including our hospitals, emergency departments, urgent care centers, Scripps Health Express locations, and other outpatient facilities. Our technical teams and vendor partners are working tirelessly to resolve issues related to the cyber attack as quickly as possible. And I just got off the phone with a patient who tells me Scripps did contact her after I talked to her today, but still doesn't know when she can reschedule her appointment. But she did say that they told her it could be weeks, even months.
We know how frustrating and Alicia, we know how frustrating and scary it can be to try to weave through the healthcare system and get a person to answer you. Who do people need to contact at Scripps? Who do patients need to call to get some answers about this situation?
Yeah, Scripps recommends that you call 1-800-SCRIPPS if you're unsure about your status. Then you could get more information there. I tried calling the line, and I did get through to a representative right away. Carlo, Heather.
All right, our Alicia Summers.